Unlock your inner peace, bending and relaxing poses in yoga. Imagine a day when you awaken to tranquility, your body radiating a calm strength. Embrace this reality every day with the power of yoga's bending and relaxing poses. The first pose is the forward bend, known in Sanskrit as Uttanasana. Stand tall, breathe in, and as you exhale, bend forward from your hips, letting your head hang loose and freeing all tension. Practicing the downward-facing dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana, stretches your hamstrings while relieving stress. Starting on all fours, lift your hips high, forming an inverted V. Let your head hang naturally, connecting with your inner self. The child's pose, Balasana, is a restful pose that calms the mind. It involves kneeling and bending forward with arms stretched out in front, a cocoon of comfort that wraps you in serene silence. Another pose is the seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana. In a seated position, legs extended, reach for your feet as you bend forward, soothing the mind and relieving symptoms of fatigue and stress. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana, offers a gentle backbend that opens your heart and lungs. Lie face down and lift your chest, gazing upwards. The pose mimics the poised readiness of a cobra, instilling a sense of power and poise. The cat-cow pose, a combination of Marjayasana and Bitilasana, is a gentle flow that loosens the spine. It involves alternating between rounding your back like a cat and sinking it, like a cow. Triangle pose, Trikonasana, is an excellent pose for flexibility. Stand tall, stretch one foot out, and bend sideways towards the outstretched foot. This pose brings balance, energy, and a deep sense of stability. Allow yourself to experience the beauty of bending and relaxing poses. They offer a pathway that guides stress away from the body, leaving you feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and truly alive. But remember, yoga is not merely a set of poses. It's an intimate dialogue between your mind, body, and soul. It's a journey of self-discovery that transcends the mere physical. So whether you're a seasoned yogi or beginner, challenge yourself to incorporate these poses into your daily routine. Fill your day with calmness, strength, and inner peace that only yoga can provide. Embrace the beautiful journey of yoga today. Experience the wonder that waits within the bending and relaxing poses. Let go and unlock the tranquility within you.